Snoring can turn sweet dreams into noisy nightmares and also contributes to heart strokes. But don't worry, we've got some simple tips to help you and your loved ones catch some Z's. First up, try sleeping on your side. Sounds basic, but it works. Back sleeping can cause your tongue to block your airway. Next, keep hydrated. Drinking water helps keep your throat and nasal passages clear. Dry airways can increase snoring. And here's a fun one. Sing. Yep, singing can strengthen throat muscles, reducing snoring. Last but not least, consider using a humidifier. It adds moisture to the air, easing breathing. So grab your pillow, drink some water, and maybe belt out a tune or two. Sleep tight and snore less. Sweet dreams.